Hello there. When you share a Google Workspace file, like a document, sheet, slide, or form, using the shared link, the viewer can see what edits you're making in real time, just kind of like how you see on the screen. Now that may be okay when you're interacting with your class, but not something you'd want when you're presenting in front of people in a professional setting. In today's tech tip, I want to show you how some simple edits to the Google shared link can change what the viewer or student sees or even does with the particular file once they open the link. To start off, let's show you what things look like to the person who opens the link. I'll take the document I want to share, copy the link, and paste it into this new window. Now you see the document since I made the share setting to view only. They cannot edit it unless they press the request button at the top. However, in the mode, the viewer can see what edits you are making in real time. The first trick I'll show you will only allow the viewer to preview the document. By editing the last part of the original shared link from /edit to /preview, you can see that the viewer now only sees the document, doesn't see any menus or edits in real time. I'm going to type into my document on the left, and nothing will change on the viewer side to the right, unless they click on the link again or refresh their page. The second trick comes in handy when you have a worksheet, let's say a Google document, and you want each student to download their own copy to edit. Because if every student were to edit the same document that you just shared, well, that would be a hot mess, and everyone would be turning in the same thing. So to make that change, you'll need to have the end of the URL changed to /copy. Then each person will see the prompt to make a copy to their Google Drive. The third trick will allow you to make a link that will take your Google Doc and automatically turn it into a PDF when they open the link. By changing the last part of the URL to /export format equals PDF, well, you can see that once that is opened, a PDF will be downloaded directly onto the computer, and then they can open up a PDF version of that Google document or sheet as well. And it doesn't stop there. You can also turn a Google slide to a PDF as well by changing the last part of a Google slide URL to /export /PDF. And then once again, that will automatically download a PDF version of that Google slide. So the next time you want to share something with your class or to a group, you can give them a link that will open up the file in a manner that's more presentable in a professional setting, rather than just opening up the Google file. I hope you enjoyed this tech tip. Thank you for watching.